How to log out of Twitter on iPhone. So first, go ahead and open up your Twitter application. Now, in this home screen, you should click your profile icon here on the top left corner of the screen. After that, go down to the drop-down menu of Settings and Support. Under here, click Settings and Privacy. Go tap on the option called Your Account. In this page, go to Account Information, and then you will see the option to log out. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure that you want to log out of Twitter. So just tap on the button Log Out. Now you can see that your account is logged out of Twitter. So that is how you log out of Twitter on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.